myself is Rasiparao Saputra and my friend.
Let me introduce myself, Irfan Adebararo.
Here we both will make a video about selling mineral powder. Let's go. Excuse me.
Yes, is there anything I can help you with?
Yes, I am looking for a drink to warm my body and growth. Are the any good recommendation?
Oh yes, finishing green tea is ginger powder that can be often as drinks. This as natural ingredients is product was written by the ex-school pipe Pangkal Pinang City.
How much does it cost?
The price is around a like state. Thousand per thousand grace.
Yes, I want to buy it. Please prepare it for me.
This is the item.
Okay, thank you. Bukaan deh.